guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video. I can see the aftermath. Just doing a little something different for Christmas this year. Make the car stand out. I think the boys would, when they see it, they're gonna freak out. It's gonna be awesome. We got the back done. Got my Jeep lights on it, on the front there so we can see it. I went ahead and switch hands here. Did my mirrors. Did the door handle. The hood. And the front. So if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Have a great night. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, my hand got in the way.